Hello, I'm Captain Vile. Welcome back to the forest. Okay, so these totally replenish. Can't carry anymore. So as long as you sleep on here, dude, we're gonna be rich when we get back to the mainland. As long as you sleep on the boat, I think it just refills with stuff. Because it's done that a few times. Anyway, last episode, the base got attacked by cannibals. Luckily, we had the Inquisitive Voyager here, and we were able to sail a little out past the shore and throw rocks at them because they didn't have any projectiles, but we did. We had a very weak projectile, and OBS is kind of lagging again. And it's pissing me off. So, I spoke with my friend Simi while trying to play Reanimal together, and it turns out, well, this is already the case. I don't know anything about computers. But I think the graphics card I got for my new computer is worse than the one I got before. Despite the fact I thought it was better. Because it's like 8 gigabytes. Which, news to me, in the computer world, is bad. So, that's infuriating. But whatever. I just bought the damn thing. Maybe I can get it refunded on like Amazon or something. I threw the box away. So maybe not actually. But whatever. Just deal with that later. I'm running around my base wasting food. Oh yeah, right, speaking of water. So also we sailed out to the Max... The hell? Where's the water? It rained! What, did it evaporate? Is that a time limit thing? Damn. Must be. Alright, whatever. You are slow as hell. Is that his feather? I think that's just a leaf. I don't know. So I'll just keep that on me. Alright. So I want to build some defenses for the base, but I also want to explore the area. I mean, we don't have a map. I don't know if that's like a great idea. What was that noise? Can't carry any more of that. But the plane crash is pretty close over here. I really gotta build a bow. Some kind of just projectile, more so than stupid-ass pebbles. But yeah, here's the plane. It's the back of the plane. I didn't know that. I don't think we can get back in there. Which means that the flight attendant outfit is limited. Only people who go for it immediately get the privilege of, there's the ball, of getting to kind of dress up like a captain, because you got the stripes on your arms. It's only 2 stripes, it's not 4. But we can pretend, alright? We can pretend I'm in uniform. Get some batteries too, why not? Not really. Oh yeah, hang on. Are these sturdier ones? Can I break these? Am I gonna launch them? Alright, whatever. This is like episode 1 stuff. We gotta do a little more. Just 2? Really? Oh. We can drink from this and get away. Ooh, a fish! And a rabbit. Fish gathered. Cool. Hang on, let's see if... Is this... Are we gonna get a disease from this? Yes, we are. Okay, that's not safe to drink. Well, it's safe. You can drink it in a pinch if you really need it. I want this blue fish. That's Dory. Whatever fish Dory is. There we are. Carp. Oh. Whatever. Other fish can have that one, I guess. I want to find out where these cannibals are coming from. Oh yeah, there's also a really big tree over here. This has been just on the horizon for a while. There's our lovely base. Anything else? Doesn't look like it, just woodlands. Oh, there's a cabin. Oh, a huge anchor. And a shipwreck over there. Well, we can sail out to that. We just gotta get back to our boat. We don't have like a hang glider, so we can't cut down from here. Well, this is interesting. What's this? A head. Alright. Oh, a skull! I needed that! No, I want to pick up the stick. There we are. Alright! Booze? I can't think of any more of those. Ooh, this one has a shoe. Alrighty. Game froze. There we are. So, what is the significance of this big tree, huh? I think it's just a landmark. It's just here. Alright, no. No dice. Can't do anything to the tree. Really is just a landmark. To be like, okay, well, if the tree's there, then I gotta go this direction to get over here. Parkour down. Oh boy. There was a family vacation I didn't go on, where they went cliff jumping, and I do not get the appeal of that. I didn't go because, like, the whole point of the trip was to go in the ocean, which I'm terrified of doing in person, and in games, depending on if you have to go underwater. I'm pretty good with the surface, but it's going underwater, which I'm a little uneasy of. But if it's, like, in a submarine, it's the swimming in the open water that really gets me. I do not like that. But I think it was like 12 feet of cliff down into the ocean. Furniture, skull lamp. There we are. Okay, that's facing the wrong way. I want the skull to be facing the land. Seems pretty... no dice. This is how I was placing them earlier. It always does this. No. God damn it. Oh, that's our... No, I don't want you leaning over to greet people who walk on the platform like some dark ride mascot. What did I just say? Stupid skull. Almost like the game doesn't want me doing this. I can time it well. I can time it well. Alright, he's kind of looking up, but whatever. Hello. This is a construction zone. Get out. See, his brother... well-behaved. Things I can go through on this damn island. Alright, I do actually want... How many skulls do we have? That was all our skulls. This one cloth. I do want to see. Hang on. Okay, crafted bow. You can do that to check. Weak spear, arrow, crafted club, snowshoes, burning weapon, crafted axe, crafted bow. We want crafted bow. Slingshot's interesting. Bow and arrows, speed, weapon. Anyway, bow, cloth, and rope. Ah. And what's this? Crafted bow with light. Okay. A little bit. Okay, arrows. Arrows times 5. 5 feathers. Where are the feathers? Because we've got a bunch. There they are. 4. Piss. We need 5. Can we just make regular arrow? Can we just... Bone arrows? Oh, we need bones. And I'm not using my precious bones. We gotta go kill a bunch more birds. Alright, where are the birds? There's a bird. Which, funny enough, you know what would be helpful to get a bird all the way up there? Here's a feather. Yoink. So that was a bird feather. There's one on the ground. There it is. Cheeky bugger. So you get free feathers of bird. That's a pretty good deal. As long as you can find the goddamn birds. I want to be ready for when those cannibals come around. What the hell? Who are you? I didn't know one of them died. Well. Oh, wait a minute. Where the hell is my bonfire? What? How did I not notice that? Okay, well. Not the most dignified. But whatever, man. Because it takes a little bit. Oh! No, get back here! There you are! Yoink. Yoink! Where's the other one? Yeah, get back here! Get... Hey, I'm trying to burn this body, alright? Oh. What else did I need? Oh, just 5. poisoned arrows. Ah! Yeah, gotcha. You! Oh! Where are you? Oh! Can I go get that? Oh! Ah! You can't. Now where are you? You're gonna aim a little higher. Well, at least we're getting water. Not that much, but we're getting it. That's an already dead bird. There you are. Should have left when you had the chance. Boom! Feathers! Kill a bird with an arrow. Haha, I got an achievement for that. A little higher than you think you gotta. You know what this feels like? It feels like that thing in Skyrim you can get. Where... Because you get, like, free arrows, free feathers for one use of an arrow, and you keep the arrow. It feels like when you have the... If you kill something with, like, a crossbow or bow and arrow, you can loot the arrow, and there's a chance there's two. So this is just infinite arrows. Alright. Can I build, like, a cover for this? There it is! Another one through it? Oh, man, that's gonna be a trip back. Ouchie. Where? There it is! I told you, trip and a half. Okay, fine. We are rather... Well, alright. Just warm us up a little? Doesn't seem to. I want these... Okay, we're... Maybe we'd sleep? Not yet. Here, it's not gonna dissipate. And we gotta light this bad boy ASAP. Howdy. Is that warming us up? Well, it doesn't say we're cold and wet. Hi. Teeth for me. It's in the sand, I can't see it. That's a rock. Where the other guy went? I don't know. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, there's a log over here. How did I miss this beauty? Sure. What the? Then we'll... I think the other guy fled. Probably telling his, like, party, hey, the crazy guy killed more of our people because we are stupid and don't have any tools. And he's got a kick-ass bow and arrow. Now that's a different scream. That's a new one, I think. Ta-da! Ain't that nice? Did you see some lights over? Oh, yeah, I think the guy with the lantern's back. Whoa. What was that? I think we better head to the Inquisitive Voyager. Yes, be safe. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Do you have a flashlight? That's like a perfect cone. Dude, that one has like a flashlight. They've stolen a flashlight from somewhere. I can kill them and take it. I think I should build a bonfire. Wind picking up for anyone else? Ooh, bones. Where's the skull? Where's the coup de grace? Bone. Bone. What, did his head dissipate? What the hell? Yeah, that's the flaw. Maybe I picked it up. I did pick it up. I just didn't. It was like a flurry of stuff. Alright. Build another platform for that, because the rain's going to take it out. Or maybe the cannibals, too. 2 sticks. I think I need a little more than that. That guy's tired as hell. Have some soda. Oh, I got our warmth back up. I don't think it's warm. I think it's, like, there's energy, and then there's, like, second energy or something. Boom! Isn't that nice? Toasty. Hang on. How many logs do we have? This is the single one. I don't know. Maybe put it on that. I think we maybe gotta put it on. I don't even know if this is gonna actually, like, work. Did I not light? Jeez, this thing goes out rather quick, hey? Alrighty. Didn't even get to use my bow and arrow on those guys. They just ran away. I think they saw the burning body. We're like, let's get out of here, man. Alright, it's not cooking yet. Any second now. It's gonna turn to an eat motion. Yeah, I just wanna keep binding. Crouch. Whatever. I'm gonna change it back to left. Oh, you're a big one. Can you just hold off a minute? I'm hungry. They're gonna eat a guy while he's starving. What would be the value in that? Like, you're cannibals. Don't attack my thing! Dude, piss off. What the hell was that? You're showing off your athletic prowess? Come on, hurry up and cook. Okay, that was impressive. That was more impressive than that guy. Can I eat these? Oh, that one's not even on. Fish collected. Hang on. Did they die? I think one of them died. It's still raw. Hang on. Fine. Maybe like chocolate or something. Whoop. I get to test this out. Oh! There we go. Wait. Didn't get him. Oh, also food. That's something. Sun's coming up. No, not even close. Alright, hang on. I want to kill him with arrows. I'm gonna headshot. I shot him in the balls. Oh. Give me those back. Oh, we got a club. All right. I think maybe this is affecting it somehow. Because you can see the meat on there. It cooks pretty quickly. Oh, it didn't, like, it just went off. Okay, get rid of this damn thing. Do these despawn, or... Okay, yeah, they despawn. Where's the meat? That just despawn or something? I don't know, whatever. I got this guy's bones now. And we got too many bones. Hang on, let's make some bone armor. Okay. 6? How many is here? I don't know. Some cloth. We're back to our old armor. Look at this guy's club. Whoa, that's a lot of damage. That's pretty cool. Where's the skull? We should have 2 of those, right? Or no, I think I used the first one to make... we've been going on for a while. I didn't expect the attack certainly lengthened it. My bad. Can't carry any more meat. Okay, well, I'm gonna just get things sorted and, like, cook. But yeah, that's a long episode. My bad. But a lot happened. So, thank you for watching, and goodbye.
Stay tuned to